So the New York versus Trump trial picks up on Monday with the defense continuing its cross-examination of Michael Cohen. Trump's team questioning Cohen yesterday about his 2016 phone call with Trump's bodyguard, where he testified that he asked to speak to Trump about the payments during the call.
But past text messages show Cohen wanted to talk to the bodyguard about harassing phone calls that evidently turned out to be from a 14-year-old. Fox News legal editor Kerri Urbahn was inside the courthouse yesterday and joins us. So, Kerri, we have that everyone believes that was the big moment. For you, is it a turning point in the case?
It was a big moment for sure, in that it was like my cousin Vinny. It was the culmination of the morning. You had Todd Blanche, the lawyer for Donald Trump, saying, in this really passionate way, "You lied, didn't you?" And Michael Cohen was shifting uncomfortably in his seat. And the reason this even matters, if this phone call happened or not, was because this is one of the main points of the case that Cohen is trying to make against Donald Trump. And I've picked up on about 4 points, I think, altogether he has for this case, which is one, this is what he claims. He told Trump that he fronted the money for Stormy Daniels. Then this phone call is point number 2, in that he called Trump via the bodyguard to say that it had been taken care of, that this was resolved. And then there were a couple of meetings that happened in early 2017 where Cohen claims he and Alan Weiselberg had a meeting in front of Donald Trump to discuss this repayment plan. That's basically the state's entire case. And so yesterday, when it turned out that this phone call about the Stormy Daniels payment may never have even happened, that in fact it was about some 14-year-old who Cohen was so annoyed at that he wanted to sic the Secret Service on them, it was a big deal. And the real reason it was a big deal is because apparently, and this is what came out yesterday, Cohen has never testified about this phone call before. He testified before a grand jury last year. So you'd think if this was like a huge point in his case against Donald Trump, that it would have come up at some time before in all of the testimony that he's given, and it hasn't. And that went right to the veracity and the credibility of whether this even happened at all.
Wow, just sloppy work from the prosecution. Tell us about this NDA and the testimony there.
Yeah, so Todd Blanche, again, the lawyer for Donald Trump, asked Cohen multiple times, was this a legal NDA? Was there anything, illegal about it? And Cohen admitted multiple times this was perfectly legal, which again is a big part of this case. And so, sometimes I'm sitting there and I'm wondering, why are we here? It just seems like such a waste of everyone's time, taxpayer resources. Money, exactly. And so we'll see if this resolves next week. I'm not convinced that it will yet, but we'll see.
Kerri, I've been watching Bob Costello talk even more directly every single interview. I'll have him on radio in a couple of hours. Would you, if from what you know right now, would you call Bob Costello if you were on the defense team?
It's a tricky question, because I think Bob Costello has been very effective this past week and in the past in the court of public opinion. And the question that a lawyer always asks himself, is it worth it to put someone on the stand when it could open them up to all kinds of other questioning that they're not able to adequately prepare for, that could somehow undercut the case in some way? And as you mentioned, Brian, Costello has made some very compelling points, not just on TV or before Congress this week, but before a grand jury last year, where he testified that Cohen told him multiple times that he had nothing on Donald Trump and that Donald Trump had nothing to do with the Stormy Daniels payment, which, by the way, also came out yesterday because, as we know, but it was reiterated, Michael Cohen had sent multiple statements to reporters in the past insisting that Trump had nothing to do with the Stormy Daniels payment. Yet now we have to sit there and believe that that was a lie. By the way, one more point on that. He was also a serial secret recorder of all of his phone conversations. He had almost 100 phone recordings, and from reporters to Donald Trump. I mean, he's something else.
I just wonder, with there being 2 attorneys on there, to show for your star witness to be a slimeball lawyer, how that's going to impact their view.
Because there are 2 on the jury.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, as a lawyer, the first question you're going to ask is, what is the crime? What are the elements? And have they been established beyond a reasonable doubt? Because, again, this is the prosecution's burden to bear. If there is any doubt at all, those jury members can't convict him. And all the defense has basically presented are holes in Michael Cohen's testimony, and the case hinges on his testimony.
What is the crime? 18 days of testimony, and you still ask your question, what is the crime? It's incredible.
Great job, Kerri.
Kerri, thank you.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.